Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you some reasons why your clickbank account are disabled. Now, there are basically three main and major reasons that your clickbank account can get disabled. So, the first reason is the cookies that are currently saved on your browser. So, that is one main reason why clickbank accounts get banned or disabled. And the second reason is your IP address quality score. And the third reason is when you visit some harmful or unhealthy websites. So what exactly happens is when you visit low quality website, its cookies are saved in your browser and you even don't know the quality of that particular website. Because of those bad websites cookie, your IP quality score also gets low. Now, when you will create a clickbank account, the security team track everything related to your IP address and browser cookies. From your browser cookies and IP address, they track everything like the website you have visited before, your IP address quality score, where you are getting your traffic, etc. So these are basically the main three reasons why your clickbank account get banned or disabled. Now, to fix the issue is very simple. You're going to do two things. Firstly, just simply completely change your browser that you're using clickbank. Like for example, if you're using Chrome, just simply use Firefox or Microsoft Edge. And if you are facing a problem in them as well, try using a different internet. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do not subscribe to our channel and take care.